My name is Melissa and I work at the Horry County Memorial Library. We have a special treat for you today, just in time for Mardi Gras on Tuesday, February 16th. We're going to be making jambalaya in the Instant Pot. Follow along and pause when you need to. And as they say in New Orleans, let the good times roll. Slice your sausage in 1/4 inch pieces and set aside. Put your steam catcher on the back of your Instant Pot. Set your Instant Pot to saute and pour in your olive oil. While the oil heats up, chop your onions and bell peppers. Now that your oil has been heated, go ahead and put in your pieces of sausage. You're going to want it to cook long enough so that it's brown on all sides, about 2 to 4 minutes. Once they're done cooking, put your sausage pieces on a paper towel to let them drain. Now it's time to add your garlic, your green peppers, and your onions, and you're going to let them saute until the onions have almost a clear color to them. While the onions, bell pepper, and garlic cook, pinch off the tails of your cooked shrimp. You're going to set this aside along with the sausage for later in the recipe. Now that your garlic, bell pepper, and onions are cooked, start adding your spices. Pour in your rice, mix well with the ingredients that are in the Instant Pot, making sure that the rice is completely coated with oil. Now everything is going to be blended. It's going to look like a soup. Take note that the shrimp and sausage and scallions are still sitting on the side waiting to be added later. Close your Instant Pot and make sure it's set to seal. Pressure cook for 8 minutes. Let the Instant Pot cook and do its job for 8 minutes, then let it do a natural release for 5 minutes before doing a quick release to let out the rest of the steam. Open your Instant Pot, and now you're going to add your shrimp, sausage, and scallions. Doesn't that look delicious? Blend everything together well. Once everything is blended, go ahead and put your lid on your Instant Pot and close it. Set it to warm, and you're going to want to warm it for 5 minutes. You are all set to serve your jambalaya. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Happy Mardi Gras!